If you want to install iOS launcher on the Motorola Edge 70, here's what you can do. So in order to get the iOS theme and get the launcher, we have to go to the Play Store and we need to download the iOS launcher. So we're gonna go to search over here and we're gonna start typing. We can type iOS launcher or iPhone launcher, something like that, in order to find all apps that can provide this theme. And for example, I'm gonna use this app over here. Of course, there are many different apps that we can use, so you can try any of them as you wish. But in this case, we're gonna use this one. And we're gonna check, I'm gonna show you actually how to set it up, which is quite easy. So once you get the app, we're gonna open it. We will have to grant some permissions. You don't have to grant permission for the location, but we're gonna grant permission to everything else over here if you want to. And after that, you should also be able to go to make default launcher, so that whenever you go to the home screen, you will just go into that iOS launcher instead of the default launcher. Of course, we have some ads in the meantime, so we need to wait. And let's close it. There we go. And let's press OK. So now over here, I'm gonna switch to iOS launcher. And there we go. Now we have the welcome message and this blue blur effect warning, which appears every time. So we can just tap on never over here. It doesn't matter. Tap got it over here. And there we go. We have our iOS launcher, this iOS theme. We have the app library as well. We can access app library over here, the full list of apps. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.